Today, we're diving deep into that very question. We're going to uncover the most reliable ways to email ZenBusiness, breaking down their communication channels and offering practical tips to ensure your message reaches the right inbox and gets a timely response. Because let's face it, in the fast-paced world of business, every minute counts, and knowing how to quickly and efficiently connect with your service providers is paramount. Now, before we get to the direct email format, and trust me, it's crucial to understand ZenBusiness's preferred communication methods. ZenBusiness, like many modern service providers, prioritizes efficiency and aims to streamline their customer support. They've invested heavily in self-service options and alternative communication channels, which often leads to direct email addresses being less prominently displayed. Their primary customer support channels include a robust knowledge base, a comprehensive FAQ section, and a responsive live chat feature. The knowledge base is an incredible resource, often containing answers to the most common questions about their services, from business formation to compliance and beyond. It's worth exploring this first, as many routine inquiries can be resolved without needing direct contact. The live chat, available during business hours, offers real-time assistance and is often the fastest way to get immediate answers to urgent questions. So, where does email fit into this picture? While a direct, publicly advertised, general support email address like support@zenbusiness.com isn't their primary advertised contact method, it doesn't mean email communication is impossible or ineffective. In fact, for certain types of inquiries, particularly those requiring detailed explanations, document attachments, or a written record, email remains the optimal choice. The truth is, ZenBusiness utilizes a more segmented approach to email communication. They typically prefer that you initiate contact through their official support channels, which then often leads to an email exchange. Think of it as a guided path to the right inbox. Here's the most effective way to ensure your email reaches ZenBusiness. 1. Utilize their contact form. This is arguably the most reliable method for initiating email communication. ZenBusiness has a dedicated Contact Us page on their website. When you fill out this form, you'll be prompted to select the nature of your inquiry. This helps route your message to the correct department within ZenBusiness, significantly increasing the chances of a prompt and relevant response. Once you submit the form, you'll typically receive an automated confirmation email, and subsequent communication will often continue via email from their support team. This method ensures your query is categorized and directed appropriately. 2. Reply to existing email threads. If you're an existing ZenBusiness customer, you've likely received various emails from them, perhaps related to your order confirmation, service updates, or compliance reminders. The most direct way to email ZenBusiness for issues related to an ongoing service is to simply reply to one of these existing email threads. These emails are often sent from specific departmental addresses, and replying ensures your message goes directly to the team familiar with your account and specific service. This is an incredibly efficient method for follow-up questions or providing additional information. 3. Specific departmental emails. Less common for general inquiry while not widely advertised for general inquiries. Certain departments within ZenBusiness do have direct email addresses. However, these are usually revealed through the support process or are specific to a particular service. For example, if you're working directly with a compliance specialist, they might provide you with a direct email for ongoing communication. It's not something you'd typically find listed on their general contact page. Relying on the contact form or replying to existing threads is generally more effective for initial outreach. 4. Check your dashboard/account. For existing customers, your ZenBusiness dashboard can be a goldmine of information. Sometimes, within your account portal, there are options to submit support tickets or initiate communication that ultimately translates into an email exchange with their team. This can be particularly useful for questions specific to your account or services you've purchased. So, while there isn't a universally published support@zenbusiness.com that you can just plug into your email client and expect an immediate, direct response for every query, ZenBusiness has established a robust system that does lead to effective email communication. The key is to understand their preferred channels and leverage them strategically. When you do email ZenBusiness, whether through their contact form or by replying to an existing thread, There are a few best practices to keep in mind to ensure a smooth and efficient exchange. Be clear and concise. Get straight to the point. Clearly state your question or the issue you're facing. Avoid overly long or rambling explanations. Include relevant information. Always include your account number or the email address associated with your ZenBusiness account. If your query relates to a specific order or service, include any relevant order numbers or details. The more information you provide up front, the faster they can assist you. Attach necessary documents. If your inquiry requires documents, such as screenshots or legal forms, attach them clearly. Make sure they are in a commonly accepted format, e.g., PDF, JPEG. Use a clear subject line. A descriptive subject line helps ZenBusiness categorize your email and route it to the right department. Instead of question, try inquiry about LLC formation for your business name, or follow up on registered agent service for account # your account number. Be patient. While ZenBusiness aims for quick responses, especially during peak times, it might take a few hours or even a business day to receive a reply. Avoid sending multiple emails for the same issue, as this can slow down the process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.